Welcome to Playtime, your gateway to fun and rewards. Hey folks, have you heard about the Playtime app? It's the latest sensation that's taking the gaming world by storm. It's changing the game, literally. Imagine playing your favorite games and getting rewarded for it. Playtime lets you make money while playing games on your phone. Yes, you can actually earn while having fun. Yeah, you heard that right. No more just playing for the sake of it. No more wasting time on games that don't give back. With Playtime, every minute counts. Playtime is free to download and offers a fun way to earn some extra cash and gift cards. It's a win-win situation. This isn't some scammy scheme, it's legit. Thousands of users are already enjoying the benefits. They have tons of games to choose from, and you earn rewards just for playing. From puzzles to action games, there's something for everyone. It's like turning your downtime into dollar signs. Imagine the possibilities. Let's talk about the best part. No ads. That's right, with Playtime you can forget about those annoying interruptions, just pure, uninterrupted gaming bliss. And the best part? Instant cash outs. No waiting around for weeks to get your rewards. You earn, you cash out, it's that simple. Whether you're waiting for the bus, on your lunch break, or just chilling at home, Playtime is the perfect way to make the most of your free time. No catches, no BS. So how does it work? Easy peasy. Download the app, choose a game, and start playing. As you play, you'll earn coins. It's that simple. Once you've racked up enough coins, you can redeem them for cash through PayPal or for gift cards to your favorite stores like Amazon, Google Play, and more. It's like getting paid to have fun. Who wouldn't want that? Playtime is the perfect side hustle for anyone who loves gaming. Turn your passion into profit. Effortless earnings at your fingertips. Playtime is crazy easy to use. With just a few taps, you can navigate through the app effortlessly. The app is super intuitive. Its design is sleek and user-friendly, making it accessible for everyone. Even your grandma could figure it out. It's that simple and straightforward. Just download it, create an account, and you're good to go. The setup process is quick and hassle-free. You can start earning within minutes. Imagine getting notifications of your earnings almost instantly. And it's not just about playing games. There are multiple ways to earn. You can also earn by listening to music, completing surveys, and more. The possibilities are endless. They're always adding new ways to earn. Regular updates ensure you never run out of options. Playtime is all about giving you options and making it easy to earn rewards on your own terms. Choose what suits you best. Playtime, your global passport to earning. Imagine having the power to earn money right at your fingertips, no matter where you are in the world. That's exactly what Playtime offers. Here's the kicker, folks. Playtime is available worldwide. Whether you're in bustling New York City, the serene countryside in France, or the vibrant streets of Tokyo, Playtime is there for you. No matter where you are on this planet, you can join the Playtime community and start earning. It's a global phenomenon that transcends borders and brings people together. Millions of people are already using Playtime to make some extra cash. From students to professionals, everyone is finding ways to boost their income. It's a great opportunity to connect with people from all walks of life. Imagine sharing tips and tricks with someone halfway across the globe. Playtime is more than just an app. It's a community where you can find support, make friends, and even collaborate on new ideas. A community of gamers, music lovers, and people who love to earn rewards. Whether you're playing games, listening to music, or simply exploring new apps, there's something for everyone. Join the Playtime revolution today. So what are you waiting for? Download Playtime now and start getting paid to play. And hey, while you're at it, tell me about your experience in the comments below. Did you manage to rack up some serious coins? What games are you playing? Let's chat about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. We're just getting started.